Here are 3 different sizes and colors of simple bracelets I made. To get started, you'll need any cotton, acrylic, or polyester yarn, a crochet hook, and a pair of scissors to cut the yarn. I'm using a yarn blend of acrylic, polyester, and cotton, along with an 8mm hook and scissors. Let's begin. In just 3 simple steps, we'll create our knotted or geared bracelet. First, start by making a slip knot. Second, chain 3. Third, slip stitch into the first chain. That's it. Bracelet that fits on me is weighed around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 knots or gears. So I'll repeat these steps 11 times. I'll see you at the last one. After the last round, make one more chain to lock our yarn. Then let's cut the yarn. And tie it off. And there you have it. I'm excited that you were able to make it too. Feel free to share your result in the comments below. How did yours turn out? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and free finds. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!